Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you plug your headphones into your Windows 11 computer, but they do not appear in your sound settings or play any audio, the system might have disabled the port or glitched the driver. I will show you exactly how to force Windows 11 to detect your headset right now. Let's get started. First, Windows 11's Modern Settings app often completely hides disconnected or suspended audio devices, so we need to use the classic control panel. Press the Windows key plus R, type mmsysy.cpl, and press Enter to open the Legacy Sound window. Right-click anywhere in the empty white space on the Playback tab and check both Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. If your headphones suddenly appear as grayed out, right-click them, select Enable, and then select Set as Default Device. Next, if the headphones are still missing from the list, you can use the built-in diagnostic wizard to force a hardware rescan. Open your Windows settings, ensure you are on the System tab on the left sidebar, and scroll down to select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, locate the Audio or Playing Audio entry near the top, and click the Run button. Follow the automated on-screen prompts, which will often restart unresponsive audio services and automatically detect your plugged-in headset. Finally, a corrupted underlying driver can permanently blind your computer's audio jack to any new connections until it is cleanly replaced. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the Power User menu. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers category, right-click your primary audio driver, such as Realtek or High Definition Audio, and click Uninstall Device. Leave your headphones plugged in and restart your computer completely so Windows can automatically download and install a fresh, working driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.